Alright, we was at this meet, but we finna head out and go to this slide spot. So, I guess we'll just be chilling there. But we gotta keep it low key until the, for like, I don't know, 5 minutes when we get there. So the cops aren't immediately called or something. Damn, that spec is fire. Oh, he was here before. Yo, what the fuck is going on? Calm down, bitch. More people pulled up, right? Bro going crazy.
Saved it. He fucking saved it. That mungie out is the scariest part, bro. When you mungie out of something, bro, that is the scariest. Oh my
Nah, that was scary, bro.
He need to do it in a lower gear. He probably in second. was scared.
My phone had the charge, so I got in the car because I needed to charge it. But they just taking turns right now. I don't missed nothing. Literally, y'all haven't missed anything. I immediately went in and grabbed my charger. Well, Tez gave me his charger, W-Tez, because I left my charger at the room. W-Tez, man. Oh, nah, this will look fire sliding. We gotta get this. We gotta get this one sliding. Bro going crazy, bro. He be hitting 360s. Nah, he going nuts. Focus, hello. Oh, he did a 360. Nah, that was crazy. That was actually crazy. That's super, got it. That's super, got it. I think he could go one more time, or even a turnaround. All right, guys. So it's the next morning, and we're finally leaving Bimmer Invasion because it's not gonna stop raining. So we just decided just to leave our hotel and head back to Georgia. So that's what's going on now. But Bimmer Invasion was like really good, bro. Like the people came out there. Their cars were like OD. You can tell they put a lot of hours and a lot of time and a lot of money into their vehicles. I'll definitely go next year. So Bimmer Invasion 2024 was a success. Now we're on the road back. I'm gonna try to get y'all some POV footage on the way, but for now I'm just on chill mode because it is kind of the morning time and it's still raining. This is Florida, man. Come on now. But if it was sunny, I ain't gonna lie, it would have been way better. People would have been doing a lot more races. For the most part, people were just sliding and meeting up and stuff, and just talking and stuff. But yeah, that's how that went. But overall, it was a pretty fun experience. And if I had to go back again, I would, which I am. But yeah, that's Bimmer Invasion 2024, guys. Yeah. Yo, hell nah. Yo, we stopped at the gas station because we needed some gas. We needed to fill up. Now he's scamming the gas station. Alright, bruh. Why does mine say 4349? His says 4249.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Shit's still going. $81. I am at 447. Now we get back on the road. All right, we have finally made it to the turn we've been waiting for. We have he's going towards Macon, and I'm going towards Atlanta, so we're finna part ways. I'm finna go my own way, and he's finna go his own way. So, yeah. Damn, bruh. It's been an experience. Well, that's that, folks. Bimmer Invasion was a phenomenal experience, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was lit. That shit was lit as hell, bro. So, we gonna be back next year, and I ain't gonna lie. Our car's gonna be tuned, so for the ones we raced in, y'all had tuned cars. Just know we coming back with fully built motors next time. For sure. But yeah, if you like this video, you like content just like this, want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Wait, what? Make sure to drop a like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this one. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a fucking upload. So you don't miss any type of upload. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.